Welcome back, guys. The new pose brush is great and you can make nice poses with your sculpted characters. And I show you a trick today how to master this new brush. First we go to the sculpt mode and then we select the pose brush. Let's go to side view and first let me activate the UV shortcuts here. And now I want to move the head a little bit down. So we have this chain here. Select the top of the head and also the face, this part here, and just move it down. You can see the nose looks a little bit strange here. So let me do undo. And now do it again. With F we can change the size. It's like a brush. And now let's do it again. Scale it up a little bit more. And let's do it again. Now the nose looks great, but you can see here the neck that it doesn't look very smooth. This part here. And let's undo. And now I'll show you a nice trick how we can smooth it. And we use the mask brush. Now we can paint on our character with this black color, and everything was painted or what is masked that we can't deform with any brush, and also not with the pose brush. Let me do this quick from the side here and here at the neck. And the front view. Good, and now we choose the pose brush again. This area here. And move. Now you can see it looks much better, but the nose we have this problem. So we can go back and just change the size a little bit. And let's do it again. Now you can see that looks great at the neck now. Very clean and smooth. And here we can change a little bit. Can move the head down like that. And that looks very good. And so you can make nice poses with your sculpted character. And let me change a little bit the pose from the tail. Back to side view. And we want to move it up. Select this part here. And move. Look how easy it is. And we can deform any part of the character with this great pose brush. Same thing with the legs. In another tutorial I already explained how to use different chain lengths. If you found this tutorial was helpful, then give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and then see you in another tutorial. Bye!